Boy, are we making something good tonight on the Blackstone. We're making some double bacon smash burgers. You hear me, but what's going to be really special about these, we're going to double the bacon, double the cheese, and double the patties. That's right, going to be 2 patties, extra bacon on each patty, extra cheese on each patty. Man, these things are going to be so good. Smash burgers by themselves are just delicious, but then you add all that bacon and all that cheese and you put 2 of the smash burgers together, oh man, these things are going to be good. So stick around, we're gonna show you how to do this, but before we do, if like, subscribe, comment, all that really helps our channel out. If you do any of that, that really, really helps our channel out and helps us to grow. We're getting over, we're over 5,000 now. Thank you so much. If you've already been here for a while, we really do appreciate that. If you're just joining us, hey, just hit that subscribe button. We really would appreciate it. We do a lot of things here besides just cooking. We go a lot of places, some behind the scenes stuff, some traveling, some challenges with the kids, a lot of cooking, who knows what we're gonna do. So get all that done. Thanks for joining us today, and let me show you what we're cooking with. Remember, also check down below in the description. There's all kind of links down there. There's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. There's links to everything you see here, well, most everything you see here in the video. If you're looking for like this griddle, a spatula, cutting board, whatever, check out below. We got a link for it. Well, before we get started, we gotta light this bad boy up. Let's get these burners going here. Oh yeah, I love to hear that. Whew. Know it's going. Well, we're gonna turn these things down to about a medium and get it going. We're gonna cook this bacon, then we're gonna turn that heat up, sear them burgers, and man, this is gonna be good. Okay, what we're doing today is we got 4 loosely packed balls of hamburger here, about 4 ounces each. I didn't weigh them, that's about 4 ounces. We have a lot of bacon, as you can see, and a lot of cheese. And we're gonna put them on these buns. We're gonna toast these buns up. We're gonna season everything with Blackstone's all-purpose seasoning. That's some good stuff right there. When they say all-purpose, they really mean all-purpose. But it's delicious on burgers. And of course, we have our parchment paper here. We're gonna take our spatula. We're gonna press them burgers down, and it's gonna be so good. And we're gonna get to cooking. Let's do it. Guess what? Griddle's hot. Time to put some bacon on there. We're gonna put this bacon on here first before we do the smash burgers. Believe it or not, the bacon's gonna take longer to cook. Them burgers, they're gonna be done in no time. No time at all. So we're gonna get this bacon on here. Listen to that sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And that smell of bacon is already coming off the griddle. Now what I did is got some thick cut, just regular hickory smoked thick cut bacon. And of course we cut the strips in half. Now what's gonna happen is, this is on one burger, this is gonna be on one burger. That's right, it's gonna be a lot of bacon on one burger. That there is probably one of the prettiest sights you will ever see on your griddle top. And that is bacon frying. Now normally, I don't like my bacon real crispy, real crunchy, but on these burgers, I want them kind of stout. Not burnt, I don't want burnt, but I want crispy. So that's what we're going for here, crispy. Let's flip our bacon. Oh yeah, there you go. Got a beautiful, beautiful bacon. Crisp it up on the other side, and this bacon will be done. Uh-oh. Come on over here. There you go. You know what to do. Isn't that some pretty bacon, y'all? It's gonna be so good up on them burgers. Look at that. Look at that color of that bacon. Man. Get it done on that side, we fit to smash us some burgers. Now, that is a beautiful griddle. I don't care if it's nothing but bacon on there. That is just a beautiful griddle. It smells so good. I had me a helper show up, y'all. Junebug here wants to help cook these burgers. So right now the bacon's done, as you can see. So we're gonna take it up and put on this towel handler, just let it drain. Let's get them up here, Junior. He's got a very unique technique. He don't scrape them up, he just picks them up. But that's all right, he's getting them on here. There you go.
Like that?
That's fine, yeah. There you go, buddy. Get that bacon up on here. All right, got the bacon up here, gonna drain. Now we gotta cook these burgers. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna kick the heat up. On these three right here, leave it low over here. We fixing to fire this thing up. You want this griddle really hot to push down and sear these burgers. That's what the Smashburger is all about, ain't it, buddy? And it has really, really good taste. Camera's over there. So, there it is, right there, right there. He says he sees you. So let's get this griddle good and hot, and guess what? This bacon grease is still here. You see that? That's right. We're gonna smash these burgers in the bacon grease. Think about that, huh? Yeah, I got a smile. So let's get the griddle good and hot. Y'all check this out. This griddle is hot. I mean, I'm hot just standing next to it. So let's get these burgers on here. In that bacon grease you go. That's right. Get in there. Now, trick the Smashburgers. Big flat spatula really helps. Parchment paper on the back of spatula really helps. Take it, press it down, count to about 10. Take the paper up, look at that. Beautiful burger.
It's like 8 times the size of a bun.
It's gonna be big. Now what the smasher's doing, do you know what the smasher's doing, Jumbo? Nope. What it's doing is making it sear, making it a crust form on the bottom down there. All right, season this up there, Jumbo. We're gonna hit this with all-purpose seasoning here. Yeah, that's fine. How much you want to put on there, buddy? That's fine. Oh, wow. That smells good now, don't it? Yeah. Oh, ooh, that does smell good. So, cook it for just a few minutes. Once you start seeing the brown come bubbling through, like it's getting ready to start doing, that's when you know it's time to flip. The key to flipping these things is get you a good spatula like Blackstone has here, right, a wide XL spatula here, but it's got beveled edges, and these edges feel like they might even cut you. What you want to do is you want to get up under it, like that. See how I'm kind of scraping that griddle? You want to get up under it and flip it. Let me show you how to do it, bud. All right, now see these? See how it's turning brown? They're starting to come through? That's what you're looking for. You want to get up under it like that and flip it. See that char? That's what you're after, bud. Look at that. No, that's gonna be good. Once it's flipped, me and Junebug are gonna put some cheese on here, buddy. Put 2 pieces on each patty, bud. Okay, I'll do it. You got it? Okay. Put them on there. Want it nice and pretty light. There you go. Oh yeah. What we'll do now is grab our big dome. You ever use one of these? No? What we're going to do now, watch. Ta-da! You gotta put water up under it, he says. How's it sound? No. You don't know? Okay. This boy here, he loves to cook. Now, he don't cook much on camera anymore, but I tell you what, he'll sneak out here and he'll start cooking. I said, where'd he go? He's out here cooking breakfast, and who knows what he's cooking. You want to cook a Pop-Tart on here? No. Why? Ooh, he's there. Let's check our cheese. You think it's done? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's right. Ooh, steam in the face. Now what we're going to do is we're going to toast up our bun here. Just lightly toast it. We fixed to eat, buddy. You ready to eat? You know what I forgot? Gotta put the bacon on here. You can't have bacon smash burgers without the bacon. So have them put them on here, bud. You want 3 pieces on each one, okay? There you go, put them on there. Now, that's even better, ain't it? I mean, just look at that cheese and all that bacon, and these buns are gonna be toasted. Yes. 2 patties on each burger. Can you bite into that? Maybe. Okay. So, let's get our cutting board out so we can build these burgers. You ever built a burger? You got a license to build a burger?
No.
Okay. Let's see if our buns are, oh, look at there. Look at that. Is that the way you like yours? You like your buns toasted? Oh, oh yeah. So now you know what we're gonna do, Gimbal? We're gonna take this, we're gonna slide it on there, then we're gonna take that, and we're gonna slide it on there. Then we're gonna take this, and we're gonna put it on there. Ooh, that's hot. What you think about that? Woo. Uh-oh, I made a mess out of that one, didn't I? That's gonna be yours.
No.
Ooh, that blend is hot. Gonna be mine? Okay, I'll tell you what. Uh-oh, I lost the bacon. You must have put this one together. Uh-oh. There we go. Cut these burners off. Let me give y'all a close-up of this. Y'all look at that mess me and Junior done made here. He's right, you can't even see that bottom. There's a bun under there, I promise you, somewhere. But that's okay. That's the way you want these things, ain't it?
Yeah, I
Huh?
guess.
So, you guess? You gonna make a mess out of it?
No.
Huh? You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna eat it. Yeah, I think I will too. That looks good. Well, they're not the prettiest burgers, but they're gonna be good. You think so?
Yeah.
I think so. And guess what? Yeah, there's no sauce, but sometimes a good burger like this don't need sauce. It has that seasoning, the bacon. The bacon. Guess what? There's bacon on there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you can see it. Okay. Yeah. As you see, they look awesome. I think they're not the prettiest things, but we're gonna eat them. So, ready to try these out? All right, let's try them out. Let's cut into this one. Oh wow. I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse on the inside here of what we're fixing to make a mess of. Look at that. All right, Junior. Turn around and show them how good this thing really is. Look at that, just hanging off there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't even know how to attack this thing, but I'm gonna try. Come on. Ready? Mmm. I think the dog wants some. Wow. Oh man. All right, bacon. So perfect. What do you think? Here's a. Let's get the look. He gets the look, he said. Okay. I mean, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Mmm. These are so good. If you never tried smash burgers, you need to try them. You never tried bacon, double cheese, double smash burgers? Look, you need to try them. They're good. You want this out too? No? That one's enough? Okay, one's enough, he said. That's surprising. He'll be back for more, I promise you. Other crazy kids are fixing to show up too, so I got more to cook. So while I'm doing that, check out the links down below. Hey, check out our playlist. We got a whole Blackstone Griddle playlist down there. Check all that out. All that's down below. Anything else? Huh? His bacon fell off. Oh no. Pick it up and eat it.
No.
Why?
It's on the ground.
No. It's bacon. He's wasting bacon, y'all. I don't know. I just don't know.
You pick it up and eat it.
I will here in a minute. So, while we cook some more for the other crazy kids and we finish these, Y'all check all that stuff out down below. Always great having y'all with you. Or with you. Great having you with us. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, get all that done, and we'll see you next time. What you think? He won't quit eating to talk to y'all. Bye.